Good morning, TEAMISMASH. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Alright, in today's vlog now, telling the guys I'm here learning how to swim. We have pool cleaning for do. In today's vlog, I don't know if the entire vlog will be comprised of pool cleaning, but I know this is going to be a 2-day process. The chemicals in the pool right now, we're going to scrub the side of the pool, go straight around, and I think tomorrow we have vacuum the pool. I don't know again if this vlog is going to be comprised of only clippings from me cleaning the pool, but that's today's agenda. But I already shared with you say the whole idea of learning how to swim is to, because me in Jamaica, the island, me surrounded by land and wood and water. Land, wood and water. So if I'm surrounded by water, I should be able to swim. If I'm surrounded by wood, should be able to climb. If I'm surrounded by land, I should be able to walk, right? Anyhow, we're gonna finish cleaning out this pool. I already start. I just remember I'm supposed to film it. I'm running the camera a while ago, and I'm gonna show you how I clean this. I don't know, can't tell you that this chemical is this. I'm not chlorine in there. Some other pool cleaning chemical in the pool, and we're gonna do this pool cleaning thing. Let's go see my smash. I'm missing now. I'm not gonna miss me too. You guys will be sat right there outside the key. I'm getting myself in firm. Alright, let's get it. I hope that wasn't too bright and I never get to see me, but yeah, this thing harder than what I expected. It also take place cleaner than what I expected as well. So I'm guessing that this vlog is not going to only be comprised of pool cleaning activity. So anyways, let's get on with the cleaning. You gotta work then play, right? This is the working part. So we're for playing that pool. Now see me? Yo, this pool cleaning activity thing ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. I'm not a little boy thing this. Big man work this. I mean a little boy obviously because I can't manage this. Can't manage this. But anyways, yeah, I'm back on YouTube, guys. I appreciate everybody who stick around and still here. Even though I'm gone for how much months, I think it was 8 months, and some people are still subscribed. You have probably 2 or 4 persons where unsubscribe from my channel. It's all good, I know when I just believe somebody gone, but I'm here again so I can subscribe all over again. And to the new subscribers, them welcome to my channel. I am Dashawn, aka Ismash, and my channel is everything we see comprised of. I want this channel to be a travel vlog channel, like a different type of travel vlog channel, like a raw, in-depth, uncut like travel vlog channel. Not only places where, not only the places that tourists go, but where natives go, you know. Again, greetings my new subscribers, them. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog thus far. This is my second vlog on my return, and I plan to do this more often. As in posting more often than first, like last year. Plan on posting more often, so you guys just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Ismash is here. I'm here to save the day, save your guys' boredom, free you guys from mental boredom. And yeah, again, we just really appreciate you guys for sticking around and subscribing. Can't stop Sessa. With my sweat right now, I look sweat, I look like a wet slope. About yesterday or the day before yesterday, this pool was green. Today now, slightly blue. Nick on there. You can hear sweat, sir. God, you know, look like you just done on a marathon. Anyways, yeah guys, down here so it's now a practice area. As I say, it's not very clean now, but it will be soon. In 2 days time. We're working on it. Because we really want to go to guys them them Rick's Cafe vlogs there and all of them diving crazy adrenaline vlogs.
Hopefully I'll be in one of those too.
And hopefully Nick will be in one of those vlogs. But anyways, yeah, that's what's up for now. We get back to whenever we have something else to share with you guys. But this vlog is just an update vlog, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it.
You understand? Rub these. Like algae harbor in a them little.
Oh, algae?
Yeah man, in a harbor in a them little crack here. But we have a next little wire bro.
So how do you have blood at it?
No man, we never get nothing to really
clean it.
Maintain.
Yeah, so because all of this have to come off, you see? So we have to scrub it.
At least it come off easy still.
Yeah man. So when you scrub this, we go to the bottom and then we vacuum.
Okay.
And take up everything.
For vacuum, you have to go underneath the water?
No man, the
oh, yes, put something inside.
The vacuum hose and attach it to the thing there.
The pulling this one.
And they just pull everything and go back through the filter.
Okay.
But all of this stuff we brush off. You know what you see it?
You know about scrubbing the...
Yeah man, that you put it on this, you know, because this can't really reach the bottom.
Okay.
See? It take a little while, you know, but we accomplish. Just try and rub these first. Because all I want you see them on the side have to come off.
That I'm going for your side here. Home time, tomorrow continue. Ooh. Alright, Team Ismash, I know you guys kind of surprised. Say yo.
Wait, hold on.
Oh. Ow.
Did they play?
Yeah. I know you guys kind of surprised. I say yo, how a few weeks ago I couldn't swim and all of a sudden I said vlogs with me I jump off some precipice high like probably your house itself. I learn how to swim guys, I learn how to swim. That's good news to you guys. Where point known for?
Right, that's so.
Alright, I learn how to swim guys. Good news me I bring forward to you guys say your boy Ismash can swim now. And you can give all credits to that something right there. So it's not big something right there, so it's called a pool. I'm not styling them, I just corner a joke. This is a pool. I yes, I'm learning to swim. You see man behind the camera knew he was further ahead of me when it comes on to.
And he still can't go.
And he still can't swim. He still can't swim. I surpass him. He call himself my master, my sensei, or whatever they want to call. Yo, turn on that. Because it'll give me copyright. So that's it. Anyways, I surpass him and I can swim. And to be honest guys, it probably took me about a day or two to learn how to swim. And in this vlog now, I go like walk on through the basics. To me, I just need to learn the basics of swimming. And then from learn the basics, I can do a lot more. It just get better and better and better. They do certain things faster. But learning the basics is key. In today's vlog now, I'm going to show you exactly how to conquer the basics in swimming. So journey with me. I'm going to show you in case the boss just jump out there. Just in case you can't swim, how to learn how to swim in 1 to 2 days. Can go up to a week, but me learn it in 1 to 3 days.
Sure.
So forward now and journey with me. Not really journey with me, but come with me. I'm going to show you how to practice the basics in learning how to swim. Let's go!
Things I wish I could do. Sorry.
Alright. Step 1. Find a, they call this now, ladder. Find a ladder where can guide you down in the pool water. So it becomes a support, right? Over here to the camera, man. I'm going to pay you, I'm going to pay you about $1. Alright, so. Spend it on my face?
Yeah.
Look at it. Alright, don't move. Alright, step 1, find the closest ladder or support to you. It can be a consistent with somebody else or just a ladder or the wall itself. What I recommend is that you guys practice the basic doggy paddle. And you guys know doggy paddle already. I look at thing, watch out go. Look at thing that like dog. Learn the basic dog paddle and then start about that video. But anyways, for now, it's important to learn how to what do you call it now when you stay in one place? Stay stagnant,
float.
Stay afloat. It's important to learn how to stay afloat. And how I learned how to stay afloat is by staying close to the support or the curb or whatever you want to call it. And just, right now I can't touch the bottom. Ensure that I can touch the bottom of the pool. So just go out a little bit and learn the arm movement, which is this. This is the, I call it, some form of rotation of the arm. So go out and go like this. Practice it one. You can keep one arm on here, so but just get off the, like this. Control the water. You get me? Nick and I learned to, you know, because this lesson is also for you. You get me? So you just go out a little bit, and just leg up for like 2 seconds and try to touch off with it first. Back, come back here. You don't have to rush it, you know. And that's something you have to rush. Go on. You just need 2 seconds, come back in back. Please ensure that somebody is close by to you who can swim. Ensure that daddy or mommy or uncle Bob, they're close to you who can swim. The next thing to learn is to, so for instance, you want to go jumping off the ramp.
Diving board.
Diving board, whatever you want to call it. Say. How to learn how to, you need to learn that you will have kind of courage.
I think we need a demonstration from Maestro, you know.
This you need to learn close attention. Go out a little bit, go close to here, so kind of just try. You tell them again, stand up right here, so leg up, go down. Take it one. Go down and touch the bottom and just push yourself up. Do that a couple times until you get so much amount of confidence in yourself that you can manage it. Like that. So you're good. Guys, tell me now. It's my swimming class / lesson going good thus far. How are you guys just laughing? Are you guys laughing right now? How are you guys learning? It's either one of the L's, you know. Alright? You know, we will take a L. Where's the teacher?
Show them diving.
I'm gonna get your swim. Oh yeah. Let's practice them there for about 3 days in a row. And
I think if you get them a couple shots with you and Maestro do that like back to back.
Ready? Wait, come up. You see, after them 3 days worth of practicing those basics, maneuvers, yeah. Maneuvers / moves or whatever, you will be able to do this. Our credit goes to the pool to teach me how to swim. I don't know how much help you guys a while ago, or how much of assistant I was a while ago, but we have another demonstration of cliff jumping, board jumping from the man behind the camera himself. Kwanzo! The girl named Kanzo. Kwanza Bonanza. He was behind the camera, but he was listening to me as well. Give me something. One more backflip. Oh my word. If I do that, you know you surpass me because I've never backflipped off that before. You're covered. Ready? Ni Kwanza upon them. Girl named Nanzo Bonanza. Bomba. You know. So, yo, the thing what me say, you touch your bottom. When you touch your bottom, you just go allow yourself to go up, don't you? And you're alright when you reach up, don't you?
Yeah.
Tell me I did the teacher. No, wait, I smashed the teacher. I'm cleaning up my lens a little bit.
You're not diving in the week. Watch out now.
Ready? Man jump like a girl child. And I'm one of the biggest swimmer in the room, you know, but so you go. Serious idea, we just are going to enjoy the pool. Don't watch the fox, there are 3 guys around here, half naked, you know. The girls are so forward, you know. You just get a call. By the way, I'm supposed to have a couple missed calls. I'm supposed to open a gate, but you don't know. I go and vlog till them come, you see me? I'm going to include them in another vlog, but them are come. Yes. Ismash, what was that? Here say did clean. Here say did clean. Leave in the comment section whether or not it did clean. Come now preview. I'm not about watch you when I edit it. You leave in the comment section whether or not that did clean. Yeah, me another music video there. I got include a clip right now.
But him approach I get a ton road and the 6 fans beat like a drum roll.
I'm afraid to dive, you know.
Your whole place me be for me. Never show up interest like Superman. Never shoot a man. Only par with a group of man. And the rifle we sing like Luther band. Rough foot while I lose a hand. They are
Things me wish me coulda do. Music mash up.
Anyways, as I said guys, this is the update vlog. So this vlog kinda short. Thanks again for watching this video. TEAMISMASH. Don't know anything set you know. Don't know what?
No, when you say TEAMISMASH, I just jump off. When you say
TEAMISMASH just jump off.
TEAMISMASH, big like you do the final and then you just jump off.
TEAMISMASH.
Finish? Finish?